Now I want to show how we can use the calculator for these hypothesis tests. So number 2 says, use the calculator to confirm your answer for question 1. So I already have all of the information from question 1 copied down here. So now I'm ready to go to the calculator and I want to select one prop z-test. So press Stat, go over to Tests, and go down to one prop z-test. And then I'm going to enter 0.63 for p, 210 for x, 300 for n. This is a two-tailed test. And then I press Calculate. So z is equal to 2.51, and my p-value, which is different from p, is equal to 0.0120. So my picture would look like this, and 0.0120 is less than 0.05. So we would reject the null hypothesis. So this is consistent with what we got on number 1.